Coming up on this episode.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions.
Hello guys, welcome back to Vondessa J. I am Vondessa. No, your girl is not put together, but guys, I wanted to go ahead and bring you to style my, it can be used as an entryway table. I do keep my wines in here because it is a wine bar cart piece of furniture. It is originally from Crate and Barrel. I did not purchase it from Crate and Barrel. I did pick it up from Goodwill, paid $40 for it. But on top of it, guys, because it's in front of the window, I want it to be also pleasing. Also, but our home is open concept, so therefore when you walk in the front door, your eyes are going to cast towards the window. So I wanted something that would be pleasing to your eyes. At the end of this video, it will be everything listed, where the items came from, the prices. No, it's not there, but the listing is there for all of it. Hopefully in this year, I will not be putting the links down below. I will just be putting them at the end of each video if I do hauls or whatever. But guys, this overall look cost me under, I know y'all about to say, but it's because of one particular thing there. This total cost here, this total look cost me about $200. Yes. So with the large piece of furniture and with the look, $240, you cannot beat it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and style this piece for you. This piece, it can't be linked. I found it online, and it's a lot of auctions now are selling this piece. So Crate and Barrel no longer sells this piece, but I want to tell you, it's extremely heavy. Both of my boys are big guys, but they was like, Mama, stop buying all this heavy furniture. But to me, the heavier the furniture is, the better the furniture is. So every piece I purchased up here was very affordable. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have put together here. And I think it's elegant. That's what it is. But if you hear noise in the background, it's my dishwasher. Ignore her. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is what our bar looks like now. I absolutely love it. It is screaming winter, yet just elegant, and that is what I love. And of course, you know, the colors in our home is tan, black with a pop of green, so that's exactly what this is. And I have been adding touches of gold. I don't know where the gold coming from, because I've always been a silver girl, but gold has been popping in our home. I absolutely love it. So on here, our beautiful little lady here, this is where the gold did pop in. She is just so absolutely beautiful. So that is where the gold did pop in. And then I have the lid from this candle, and this candle is from my bestie from high school. So this is her candle line. So this is where the gold did pop in on this area. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe. If you like my content, I do have a lot more that I'm planning on bringing in 2023. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn that red to gray, because you know, if you like my content, if you have gotten to this point, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'm very sure you will love to see when I get ready to hit my spring, because spring has always been my season. Not the pollen here in the South, but definitely the decor part. So please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know what I always say at the end of all of my videos, I gotta go, but I will be back. But until the next time, guys, bye.